Dante QuickShot. Don't stop. QuickShot.
Hey everybody, I'm Alicia, and of course I got my guys with me, Frank, Luke, and Bernie, hanging out. What's happening?
It's
Things
awesome.
are going good.
We're doing fantastic, and I just want to say that if I remember back to when I first started at Automate back in 2014, I was all by myself, and I look at where we are today here in 2022, right? And it's like I'm blown away. I'm surrounded by all these people here helping me out, doing things, making fun of me. This is not going the way I thought. But I guess I created a team of minions.
You have very much so. So today, you and your technical sales minions are going to take us through a little bit of a deep dive on the how to install DDM. We've already done the what, we've done the where, we've done the why, and today, how DDM is installed.
Hey everyone, welcome to another episode of Dante QuickShots. I have with me the legendary, the amazing Bernie Farkas. Bernie, how's it going?
Oh, stop it, Frank. Today's episode is about how. Specifically,
How what?
how to install DDM, because some of you out there may not be familiar with virtual machines or just dealing with the server-based software. So we're actually going to phone a friend on this one.
Ooh, I like that. I know a guy.
You do? Okay.
I do,
Might
and
be the same guy I'm thinking of.
You know him too. He is amazing and he's fast. And I just want to point out that Alicia has warned us that we can't go over more than 3 to 4 minutes on this, so we're gonna keep it short. And I know the perfect guy for this. So I would like to add someone into the call. Quick phone a friend. Lucas, how's it going?
Hey, Lucas.
Hi guys, how are you doing?
Good. Lucas, you want to introduce yourself real quick?
Sure. Hi guy. Hi everyone. I'm Lucas Moreno, technical sales engineer here in Odinate, working basically in EMEA region.
Nice. Awesome. So Bernie and I were talking, and we've been doing Dante QuickShots. You've seen them. We talk about it a lot.
Of course.
And the whole idea is to make things sweet and short. And we wanted to just take away the apprehension of installing DDM. I think it's easy. Bernie thinks it's easy. I'm sure you agree too. And we just want to show the people that it is really easy to do. So what I'm going to do is we're going to add a little timer here so people can see how quickly this is going. I'm going to time you, Lucas, and see how fast you can get this done. And obviously there's going to be boring bits when the server is installing where we might speed things up a bit, but the idea is I want to show you how easy it is. So Lucas,
Perfect. So let me share my screen and drive you through the whole process. Okay, so first, what do you need to install DDM? You need to get DDM. Where do you get DDM? Of course, from the Odinate website. You just go to support, software and AVIO support. You scroll down to the Dante Domain Manager, and you have the link to download the latest version of Dante Domain Manager. Of course, once you have downloaded the ISO, you can decide to install the ISO in different platforms. You can install it bare metal or use any hypervisor platform like VMware or Hyper-V. In this video, I'm going to show you how to install DDM inside VMware ISX. So you have downloaded the ISO, you have imported to VMware, and let's go and create a virtual machine for DDM.
White, like a soft purple, and that's sent to us.
there you go.
There we are.
Here we are. So Now that the installation has just finished, we land up with the so-called appliance menu, which is this blue screen here that you see, that allows you to do some basic troubleshooting and maintenance operations on the server. I'm not going to do anything else on this menu. Of course, you can configure the network interfaces or set up the host name and a bunch of other things. I have my DDM server that has automatically acquired an IP through DHCP, so I'm just going to open that IP address on a web browser.
Wow,
Boy, that was simple.
that was simple.
It is.
That was pretty straightforward and simple. So, anyways, if you need more information, it's available on the Autonate website regarding, additions, requirements, etc. Loads of information. But for Dante QuickShots, I'm Bernie Farkas signing off. Frank, Lucas, thank you very much.
So our technical sales engineers are like evil geniuses. They work, daily on pushing the bounds of our Dante technology, and it's amazing. So if you all want to learn more, you know the deal. Drop a comment or reach out to sales@automate.com.
And on next week's episode of Dante QuickShots, Alicia is going to take you through a couple case studies to get you maybe inspired to take Dante in a new direction with your establishment.